stinks. It's too hot. I'm looking for platform 9 3/4. It's the Hogwarts Express. This way?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, this way?
Yes.
Morning YouTube! Welcome back to the channel.
Colombo today.
Colombo today.
Yeah, we're in the market area. It's very busy, there's a lot going on here. And we're just outside the Red Mosque.
Yeah.
You can see that right above us there. That's a spectacular looking building. It's not every day that you see something like that. The front's just around the corner, so we're going to go over there. You can see people are selling all kinds of things here. So there it is, the Red Mosque in its full glory. Let me get across the road and see if we can get a better view.
Proper shopping vibe. Yo, yo, yo. So you don't like it here?
No.
Why?
I want to go to my little jungle. I want to go back to my jungle.
Too crowded.
Yeah. Stinks. It's too hot. Annoying. I'm shouting. I got a hangover.
So this street is more quiet. Somehow we escaped all the crowd and noise.
Yeah, and it was quick as well. We just turned a corner and it just calmed down a lot, didn't it?
I wonder why. But that's where all the locals shop. So it's more, I don't know, more busy. Thank you.
This episode of the Blind Guido vlog was made possible by Coca-Cola. Please drink responsibly. Yeah, pettier than this side.
It's about 12, 20.
What's he getting? Let's find out. Is it crisps? Is it sweets?
No problem, you video. Really.
Yeah. So this is the Gold Street. That's where you buy gold in Colombo.
I don't know how any of them make business when they're just next to each other like that. That's a cool building. It's a cool looking street.
dry fish market.
This is the dry fish market. Yeah, I can smell it. Aluthgama, what's your name?
Inshop.
Inshop. Nice to meet you, Inshop. How old are you?
40.
14. And it's Tata? Is it your father?
Yes.
Yeah? Nice, nice.
No father, his father's friend.
Father's friend?
Yes.
Ah, okay. You working today?
Yes.
Today Sunday, you go to the school.
Ah, you been to school today?
Today Sunday holiday.
Holiday, yeah,
Sunday
no school.
holiday.
Yeah,
Tomorrow is
I think school night.
very nice. Well, it's nice to meet you. High five.
Where from?
I'm from England. So our time in Colombo is coming to an end. We're here at the Fort train station. We've had a great time thanks to my good friend Nissan. His comes highly recommended. His prices are good. Nissan, you want to give me your number?
Yeah.
What's the number?
077-2530-699.
Perfect. Give him a call. Highly recommended. Have you got any message for the world? Anything you want to tell?
Message, no problem.
Yeah.
My number is
You got your number. That's all we need. Okay, man. Cool.
your camera, nice. Like.
Hello, Mattia. Can I get 2 tickets to Bentota, please?
how much?
600.
600. Thank you.
Damn, that's a serious gun. Excuse me, sir. I'm looking for platform 9 3/4. Do you know which platform?
9?
9 3/4. It's the Hogwarts Express. This way?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, this way?
Yes.
And right. Thank you. Excuse me, is this the Hogwarts Express?
This is Aluthgama train.
Aluthgama? Ah, okay, thank you. Oh, that's our train. Yeah, it goes to Aluthgama. Let's go. Are you sure it's to Aluthgama? Yes. Definitely? Yes. Thank you. It's alright. It's fine, come on. Aluthgama, yeah. Not Hogwarts. No. There we go. We're on our way to Aluthgama, not Hogwarts. We have some music going on down the train. We're going to go and have a look what's going on. Sounds like there's a bit of a party. Hey, very good. Near mate. There are no doors on the trains in Sri Lanka. Well, they are, but they keep them open, which is very nice. Keeps it very cool in here, very bright. I always find it fascinating to see some of the poorest communities that I've seen here in Sri Lanka situated right on some of the most beautiful beaches I've ever seen in Sri Lanka. Literally right behind these huts is the beach. You can see it through there.
You know you're the best thing in my life. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh Lord, oh Lord.
A long time ago, I was on a train just like this, sitting at the edge, at the door just like this, and I had my legs dangling out of the train, and someone came and just let me know that if we come into a platform, your legs are going to get cut off. And right here you kind of see why. I mean, there is some space, but you know, if you have your legs dangling out of these trains and you come into the platform, you're going to lose them. Right now you could do it, but as soon as you hit that platform, you'd lose your feet. It's crazy to see some of the poorest communities in Sri Lanka in some of the most beautiful places. Right behind these huts is the beach and the Indian Ocean. Absolutely stunning location, and they're just living in absolute poverty, in absolute paradise.
Everything I see, girl, reminds me you and me, holding on, walking on the sand, and nobody, just you and me. And when the times become hard and nobody help you, let me be by your side, and please let me hold you tight. We finally find my girl, me know this girl's divine. It's si seulement me te pecada ou moi, si seulement te vois moi, et si seulement.
Pananano namatya ane activity na wanan sulwa dari akalyan aktivagi beria bagi kute ane nati beri kamate gundo manatima pinsi duwe.
That man had his arm sort of hanging off. Never know what you're gonna see. This is a scruffy yet somehow very pretty little train station, and there's a little cactus garden there with flowers growing. Them walls look pretty aged, maybe built by the British or the Dutch. Well, that's one way to disembark. Apparently, this is the smoking carriage. So that's it, end of the line, Aluthgama. Gonna head back to the house. Hey, nice t-shirt.
Yes,
That's tonight.
that's nice.
Yeah. We're gonna head back to the house now. I got a surprise visit, a special someone's come to find me out here in Sri Lanka. So we're gonna go and see her tonight. So I think I'm gonna call that a day for this episode. Like, subscribe, all the good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Like and subscribe. Hey, good man. Thank you. Hey.
YouTube, see you.
Bébé, si tu veux aller, aller.